Yeah, with your Samsung Galaxy phones of the following problems: black screen, frozen screen, or any form of issues with your device. The combination to resolve these issues is to use the volume down button and the power button, and I will advise you to hold these buttons for at least 8 to 10 seconds and you will see that your device will restart. It is very important to power off your device once a week or so. If not, you can just hold the volume down and the power button to just restart your device, and this will indeed clear your memory for your phone and remove all the data to your RAM system that will cause your device to fail at some point. So it is very good to do so weekly. Just restart your device. If not, I advise that you do this method: hold the power button and also the volume down to restart your device. So as you can see, I have the guide here in this video. You can do so, and also you can do the same thing here. Hold the volume down and the power button while plugging in your charger. This will also help for black screen especially, and frozen screen if for some reason the first method did not work. So you can do so for your Samsung Galaxy S10, and you can also do so for other Samsung Galaxy devices. They have been really working in the past, proven, and this should also help you as well. So cheers, and if this video was helpful, like this video, also subscribe to my channel and share this video to friends and family. I'm Lens and I'm out.